This update could change your business forever. A few years ago, many people believed AI tools like ChatGPT would replace traditional search engines. That didn't happen, but what did happen is even more important. AI changed users' behavior, and now Google is responding with one of the biggest shifts in its business model in over 2 decades. We are entering a new era in which ads are fully integrated into Google's AI-powered search experience. And this shift will directly impact how businesses get discovered, how customers search, and how buying decisions are made. This is not just another update, it's a fundamental change in how digital marketing works. For years, Google's model was simple. You search, you see links, advertisers pay for clicks. Now the experience is different. Instead of typing short queries like best running shoes or pizza near me, users now have full conversations. They explain their goals, problems, budgets, preference, and AI responds with contextual answers. That changes everything. Advertising is shifting from keyword-based targeting to intent-based targeting. Instead of targeting running shoes, you will reach someone who tells AI, I'm training for my first marathon, I'm overpronate, and my budget is $300. What should I buy? That conversation contains richer data than keyword ever could. Google's AI now analyzes the full conversational context, not just search terms. It understands behavior patterns, previous research, interests, and purchase signals. This means your ads won't trigger just because of a keyword. Your ads trigger because AI detects strong buying intent. Context now matter more than isolated search terms. And here is the key point most businesses overlook. Google's AI is constantly evaluating your brand. It analyzes your website content, codex descriptions, reviews, social media consistency, messaging clarity. If your brand positioning is unclear, your content is thin, your data is messy, the system struggles to understand who you are for. Google calls this feed hygiene. It means, in simple terms, garbage in, garbage out. In AI-driven search, your product's description must answer real conversational questions. Your website copy must clearly communicate positioning. Your data must be structured and clean. Your Google Ads account is no longer just an ad platform. It's an AI training system. Every conversion you track, every customer signal you upload, every value you assign, you are training the algorithm. If you optimize only for leads, you will get more leads, but not necessarily profitable ones. If you optimize for higher value customers, repeat buyers, and real revenue, the system learns what actually matters. The new playbook looks different. Stop micromanaging individual keywords. Focus on feeding the system high-quality data. Use smart bidding strategically. Track real business' outcome, not vanity metrics. Build a strong, consistent brand presence across all channels. The businesses that adapt early will gain a compounding advantage. AI system improve over time, and the earlier you train them correctly, the stronger your position becomes. At Copify Digital Marketing, we help businesses navigate this AI-driven landscape, from strategic setup to advanced optimization, so you can stay ahead instead of reacting too late. If you want to future-proof your Google Ads strategy, this is the moment to act. The AI era of search isn't coming, it's already here.